Welcome to Beauty with Lyra. I'll be talking about my skin food recipe that I change every now and again, and now it is a hot mixture of cocoa butter and shea butter. I love these two for their similarities because they are super hydrating. They treat chapped lips or skin, they prevent dryness, excellent for anti-aging, and they soothe burns and heal skin. So it is absolutely healing combination combo that is just out of this world. You'll see the two are very different. The one is lighter and the cocoa butter is a little darker. It has a certain smell. Cocoa butter tends to overwhelm sometimes, but in this case, because it is a 1-to-3 ratio in this combination, I've basically kind of masked the scent.
Hello gorgeous, and thank you so much for stopping over. This is Beauty with Lyra on IGTV. As always, I'm bringing you something in skincare. Today I am making my favorite thing, skin food, and this is one of the body butters that I do regularly because it's moisture hydration for most of my clients, and I have a few orders, so I'm very excited. And unfortunately, it is coronavirus season, but in skincare, gloves has always been the order of the day. Okay, so I'm going to take you through my process of how I make my skin food body butter and all the ingredients that I will be putting in. This is hemp seed oil. I also have avocado oil, and we will not forget.
So one of the things that I enjoy doing is mixing with oils that are going to generate new skin, heal skin, and give it a little bit more of suppleness, so soften it a little bit. So I've added grapeseed oil, as I said, hemp seed oil, and avocado oil, which are all three really great with skin barrier function, and so they definitely are going to do the trick.
Hey boo, so I'm back with my mixture. My shea butter and cocoa butter has melted, and I've put in avocado, hemp seed oil, as well as grapeseed oil. And then essential oils that I put in jojoba, rosehip, tea tree, as well as carrot. And the orange is smelling like so fresh. So it's going to give you all the goodies. So we're just going to toss it into the fridge so it can just harden a little bit before I start whipping it. So I'll be right back with that.
This is how awesome it comes out after you whip it. This is the whipped body butter. It is so yummy looking. I am just about to put some on my body. I'm going to take a nice bath, relax, and after that put on some awesome body butter, cocoa butter and shea butter. Mixed together, they make an awesome feel. And the orange is just stunning in this. I think we could all use with a bit of laughter. I just want to send a shout out and much love to all the affected people with this coronavirus. It is just sad times. I feel like we are really, it's a dawn of a new age, a new era where we have to really rethink the way that we do things. I'll be finishing off my last chapter of my book, Rethinking Beauty, and I'm definitely going to dedicate it to the era, the time, and this horrific aspect of our lives, and that is connecting every single one of us. So I just want to say to everybody that you are in our hearts, you are in our thoughts, and keep strong. We will see the light at the end of this really dark tunnel. Much love.